Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will learn a faster way to multiply any 4-digit number near a base number. In this example, 4,988 times 4,995. Step 1. Find a base number such that it is near the given numbers and is easy to multiply. Let's use 5,000 as the base number. Step 2. Compare the two numbers with the base number. Remember, if the number is greater than the base number, then the difference is positive. If the number is less than the base number, then the difference is negative. 4,988 minus 5,000 is negative 12. 4,995 minus 5,000 is negative 5. Step 3. Cross-add the difference. 4,988 plus negative 5 or 4,995 plus negative 12. Either you get 4,983. Step 4. Multiply the base number to the sum. 4,983 times 5,000. It is easy to get the answer since 5,000 ends with multiple zeros. And the answer is 24,915,000. Step 5. Multiply the differences. Negative 12 times negative 5, which will give us a positive answer. That is 60. Step 6. Add the numbers. And you'll get the final answer. That's 24,915,060. Therefore, 4,988 times 4,995 is equal to 24,915,060. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.